are doing a review of OpusSearch, which is under Opus Clip. Now, OpusSearch allows you to unlock the power of your video archive with AI. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital content, video has become the most powerful medium for engagement, storytelling, and revenue generation. But with hundreds, sometimes thousands of hours of footage stored in archives, creators and businesses often struggle to find and reuse the moments that matter. That is where OpusSearch comes in. OpusSearch is an AI-powered video search and monetization tool developed by the creators of Opus Clip. Acting as a custom AI brain, it enables professional creators, businesses, and media organizations to instantly search, reuse, and monetize any moment from their entire video catalog. So you can see a sample of what we're talking about. So you can sign up, it's free to get started. Now, what are the core capabilities of OpusSearch? Now, the first core capability is AI video search. Opus uses powerful machine learning to index your entire video library. So users can now search by topic, speaker, object, concepts, even visual elements. No matter how old or obscure your content is, OpusSearch can retrieve precise clips in seconds using natural language queries or keywords. The second feature, that is the second capability, is content reuse and repurposing. Why create from scratch when you already have gold in your archive? OpusSearch lets you 1. Resurface older clips for trending conversations, 2. Create thematic compilations, and 3. Build niche content channels to serve new audience segments. This capability allows content to be refreshed and re-engaged without ever filming a new shot. The next capability it has is monetization. Your old content is more valuable than you think. With OpusSearch, users can convert clips into branded content, sell or embed ads directly into your repurposed footage, launch sponsor-ready channels or playlists. What's the result? Many users report a positive return on investment in just weeks, turning dormant footage into a new revenue stream. The next capability is real-time trend detection. In today's social media climate, timing is everything. OpusSearch AI engine detects what's trending and cross-references it with your video catalog to 1. Surface the most relevant clips, 2. Help you join viral conversations quickly, and 3. Increase your chances of gaining traction and views. This ensures that your content stays fresh, timely, and aligned with what audiences are talking about. Then the fifth capability is automated cataloging. Managing years of video content manually is exhausting. With OpusSearch, your entire video library is also ingested and indexed. 2. The clips are tagged and organized based on content, people, emotion, and topic. You can even connect external sources like YouTube channels or CMS platforms for continuous automated ingestion. Then the sixth capability is compilation and channel creation. Do you want to create a highlight reel or launch a new channel? OpusSearch makes it easy for you to 1. Group related clips by theme, for example, best reactions, tech reviews, or motivational quotes. 2. Publish themed compilation or even automated channels based on your content library. Then 3. Serve different audience segments without creating new material. So what are you waiting for? Want to give OpusSearch a try. See you in the next one.